Privacy advocates in Maryland are calling for a state investigation into companies they accuse of collecting and selling sensitive location data, including information that can be accessed by federal immigration authorities. According to an NPR report published August 20, 2026, a coalition of privacy and civil rights organizations filed a consumer complaint with the Maryland Attorney General's office on Wednesday. The complaint asks the state to investigate several data companies and take enforcement action. The complaint names companies including Penlink, Thomson Reuters, Motorola, Insight LPR, LexisNexis, and Flock Safety. The groups allege that these companies collect and sell personal and location information to law enforcement customers in ways that violate Maryland's privacy laws. The issue is especially significant because some of the companies named in the complaint have contracts with ICE. For example, NPR reports that Penlink sells cell phone location data through its WebLock program. Other companies named in the complaint provide vehicle location information collected through license plate reader systems. Thomson Reuters and LexisNexis also provide data tools to ICE containing personal information from public records and proprietary sources. Maryland has particularly strict rules governing sensitive data. Under the state's current law, data brokers generally cannot sell or share Maryland residents' location data unless specific legal conditions are met. The law also restricts the sale of information to agencies involved in immigration enforcement, unless the law requires it or a warrant is obtained. That is at the center of the new complaint. The organizations argue that commercial data purchases could allow government agencies to obtain information without the same judicial oversight that would normally apply to certain searches. But the companies named in the complaint dispute the allegations. Thomson Reuters said it is confident it complies with applicable laws and regulations. Penlink also denied violating Maryland law. Maryland's Attorney General's office has not commented on the specific complaint. So, what happens next? The complaint is asking Maryland officials to investigate. It is not a finding that the companies have violated the law. The key question now is whether Maryland authorities will investigate the allegations and determine whether any companies violated the state's privacy protections.